My name is Johanna, and my superpower is that I can teach anyone to draw. Even you, yes you. Imagine picking up a pencil and doodling something that makes your friends stop and stare. Filling notebooks with beautiful drawings and taking time out from your busy day to simply pause, draw a dragonfly. It sounds good, huh? Well, I'm going to share a secret with you, one which the art world has been trying to keep quiet for centuries. Drawing isn't a talent you were born with. It's a skill you can learn, and I'm the girl to teach you. I've sold over 21 million copies of my colouring books worldwide, but I'm not a super talented artist. I just learned a clever way of drawing. And I'm going to share all my secrets with you because I want as many people as possible to pick up a pencil and be creative. When it comes to drawing, my secret sauce is method. Learn a method, then tweak it to create infinite variations and practice a bit. For example, here's my basic flower method. Begin with a circle, divide into quarters, draw 4 petals. And that's it. But once you know that, you can tweak it. Vary the shape of the petal, add some details, add a leaf. See, it's that easy. I'm sharing all my secrets in my new book, How to Draw Inky Wonderlands, because sharing is caring. I'll guide you through step-by-step tutorials, ignite your imagination with creative ideas, and of course, it wouldn't be an inky adventure without something to colour. So what are you waiting for? Grab a pencil, doodle your first flower, then go grab your copy of How to Draw Inky Wonderlands. Let's fill this world with artists.